So WCM recognition is basically a very good source of motivation, because the recognition provides you a very good benefit of what you have done over the past years, and it is recognized at a level of the management, so it's really good motivational thing for me.
My main contributions as an expert would be innovations, so working more in innovational kind of projects in the future, as well as the knowledge transfer. So I'm very excited about sharing the knowledge with the rest of the team and other experts within the company.
For me, it was a great event. I could meet all my peers. The recognition for me is the confidence that all my manager and all my colleagues place in me.